Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the layer icons using VinylCut. So today's video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Yeah, we cover quite a variety of different softwares, and also we do upload daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we go back in the program here. Now, once again, to locate your layers panel, we'll be on the right here, the three little papers. And if you select that, it'll open your layers icons. So now, if we look here, we've got a few different icons to cover. So this little paper with a folded corner, that is just a generic layer. So that'll be any shape you put in, will be this. Then any text, if it's got a T on it, then you know it's text. So if we switch to our text tool and we select it, you can see we're actually able to edit or modify that panel when it comes to its text. Then next up here, we've got the little folder with G. That is if you've grouped any more than two objects together. So if we select this 1 and 2, if we keep shifting, or if we drag a box over both of them, and then we hit Control G for shortcut, or we go on top here to Object, and then we go down to Group, Control G. Then now on the side here, you will notice it has made a little folder with a G on it, and if we open that by clicking that little arrow next to it, we've got our 1 and 2 in there. So then another icon we have, which if we go on the bottom here, is the add folder icon. So if we click that, now on top here, you will notice there's just a little folder, no G on it. And this is nice for organizing your graphics and so forth. So if we just rename this quick. So now to get anything into that folder, what you would do is you click it, then you hold your mouse down while it's clicked, and you move up under or your mouse onto the folder, but under. If it's got a little black line with a white box, I hope you can see this, then it'll go into the folder. If it's like this, they'll go under the folder. So if the black box has no little white icon. So in any case, so we have a little white box, put it there. Now if I open the folder, you will notice that graphics in there. Also, if the folder is open, then it's easy to drag it in there. And yes, that is the icons in VinylCut 5. And I hope I see you guys on the next tutorial on this layers panel properties tutorials. Otherwise, we head here to the website. So if you navigate your URL or search on Google for softwaretraining.co.za, then when you get to the website, you'll see we cover videos like this and more. You'll see we have quite a variety of different software. Also, you can search on the top right here if you're looking for any specific tutorials, or if you don't find what you're looking for, just go request a training video and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.